Today we're gonna bring an LED lamp, and it's a beautiful little lamp. If you guys are gonna redesign your bedroom or your living room, or maybe just a little area, your office itself, this lamp is nice and neat. Little beautiful little setup. They have multiple colors, of course, and this is fabric. You guys can see this is actually gonna be mounted on the actual lamp, and it's gonna illuminate the colors. Of course, right now it's gray. It's kind of like a gray white mix, So pretty awesome little cover lamp. We're gonna put it together. Included, they give you the light bulb, as you can see, the light bulb included. And we're gonna set it up, and this is an LED light bulb. It's 5 watts light bulb. So let's see how beautiful it looks. Let's set it up too. And first of all, what you got to do is you got to make sure you unhook this part, all right? Prior to setting up, you got to take this off first, all right? There's a little cap on it. Once you take out the cap, you you receive this in there, you cap it in. So let's talk a little bit about the lamp first itself. They give you two USB 5 volts, all right, USB, so charging your phones or your any iPad or anything that you have, you could charge it here. On top of that, they give you an extra 3-prong connection, so 3 connection. If you lose one connection, you can always replace it with this one. It's a pull string, so actually turn off and on the light. So make sure that the source is you could reach it. It's not a touch screen or anything like that. Bottom source is fabric, so it won't scratch any of your beautiful surfaces or anything like that. All right, let's take a look at the lamp. Like I said, it's all set up. We got a 3-prong connection to USBs, and it's a pull string, and we're gonna turn it on. Now the light is not as powerful as people want it sometimes, so there's no actually turning it up. This is a soothing light. It's pretty much a light to light up the room enough to get your shoes on, or if you have an office and you want to see your paperwork in front of you, this is something that you could do. The light itself, it's enough to light up the whole entire room. So it's a beautiful aesthetic, great design for any designers out there that's setting up something by your bed, or like I said, something by your library. This is a perfect lighting for you guys. So